Hello everyone and welcome back to Engineer Sir. I hope you're doing amazing today. Today's question is, how does ABS work in cars? Let's get started. In this 1 second, your entire safety depends on one incredible invention called ABS. ABS stands for Anti-Lock Braking System. Before understanding ABS, let's first see what happens during normal braking. When you press the brake pedal, hydraulic pressure pushes the brake pads against the spinning disc. Friction between the pads and the disc slows the wheels. But roads aren't always dry. On slippery roads, things become much more dangerous. If the wheels stop rotating completely, they begin sliding instead of rolling. Once the tires slide, steering becomes almost impossible. You may turn the steering wheel, but the car keeps going straight. This is exactly the problem engineers wanted to solve. Every wheel has a speed sensor. These sensors constantly measure wheel speed hundreds of times every second. When you slam on your brakes, sensors monitor the speed. All information goes to the computer, deciding how to modulate the pressure, reapplying it thousands of times, allowing you to stop safely. The computer instantly recognizes when a wheel is about to lock. It immediately reduces brake pressure on that wheel. Then it increases the pressure again. Brake pressure returns. This happens many times every second. The wheel keeps rotating just enough to maintain grip. Without ABS, the tire slides. With ABS, the tire keeps gripping the road. Because the tires continue rolling, you can still steer around obstacles. This is why ABS saves thousands of lives every year. You'll often feel the brake pedal vibrating. That's completely normal. Those vibrations come from the ABS rapidly adjusting brake pressure. On snow or gravel, stopping distance may sometimes be longer. But you'll still maintain steering control, which is usually far more important. Today, ABS is standard on almost every modern vehicle. The next time you feel your brake pedal vibrating during an emergency stop, don't panic. That's your ABS working tirelessly to help keep you in control. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. And don't forget to tell us in the comments, what topic would you like us to explain next? See you in the next one.